Well, lawmakers are pushing a bill to allow people to do drugs in specific places without penalty under the supervision of people trained to reverse overdoses. News 13's Natalie Wattis is here with details. Natalie?
House Bill 263 is actually an amendment to the existing Harm Reduction Act to provide these extra services. Now, one of the sponsors, Representative Tara Lujan, says this is a tool to help save lives in a growing epidemic of drug use.
It is the intent of House Bill 263 to prevent fatal and non-fatal drug overdoses, provide a pathway to substance use disorder treatment for those who desire it, improve access to medical and social services, prevent the transmission of infectious disease, reduce public use of controlled substances, and reduce emergency room use and hospital utilization related to drug use.
This bill faced intense scrutiny from some lawmakers in committee today, some asking whether or not people could be arrested for having illegal drugs or selling them there, whether or not there would be an age limit, and how much staff members would be responsible for at these facilities. This bill also would not allow people's personal information like names and addresses to be collected. Representative Lujan says the mission of places like this is to meet people where they are, provide a safe space, and offer them a host of services to get them help when it's desired. No one in the audience today spoke in opposition, but many people spoke in support.
The path out of this epidemic isn't through punishment and stigma. It's through compassion and love. And that's what overdose prevention centers are. Providing that compassion and care and literally keeping people alive until they're ready for recovery.
This bill passed the House Health and Human Services Committee on a 5-3 vote. It now heads to the House Judiciary Committee. Back to you.
Natalie, thank you. An analysis of this bill shows it would cost about $100,000 a year to get it started. This bill would allow people to use drugs in the designated area, but not sell or buy them.